In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Thinkorswim. If you're finished using the platform and want to safely exit your session, the process is very simple. The main thing to understand is that in Thinkorswim, logging out is essentially done by closing the application. Once you close it completely, the next time you open it, you'll return to the login screen and can sign in again or use a different account. Start by opening your Thinkorswim platform if it isn't already on screen. Before you close anything, take a quick moment to save any chart layouts or workspace changes if needed. This is especially helpful if you've customized your setup and want everything to look the same the next time you come back. Saving first can help you avoid losing any recent adjustments. Once you're ready, go to the upper right corner of the application window and click the X or Close button. This tells Thinkorswim to shut down your current session. After clicking it, give the platform a moment to close completely. Depending on your computer and how much you have open, it may take a few seconds, so just wait until the window disappears fully. At that point, you're effectively logged out. The next time you launch Thinkorswim, you'll be taken back to the login screen. From there, you can sign in again as usual, or choose a different account if that's what you need. If your goal is to switch accounts, the process is just as straightforward. First, close the current Thinkorswim session completely. After that, reopen the platform. When the login screen appears, choose the environment you want to use, either live trading or paper money. This part is important because it determines whether you're entering the real trading environment or the simulated practice mode. Next, enter the credentials for the account you want to access. Be sure to type them carefully so you sign into the correct account and environment. Then click Login to continue. That's all there is to it. To log out of Thinkorswim, simply save your work if necessary, close the application, wait for it to shut down completely, and reopen it when you're ready to sign in again. And if you want to switch accounts, just close the session, reopen Thinkorswim, choose live trading or paper money, enter the appropriate login details, and sign in.